Hey everyone, welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper that teaches an AI a skill we all need, knowing when to stop thinking. You've probably seen AIs that show their work, writing out step-by-step solutions to problems. This is called chain of thought, and while it helps them solve complex tasks, it's also very slow and uses a lot of computing power. It's like writing a full essay for a simple math problem. To solve this, researchers developed something called latent reasoning. Instead of thinking in human language, the AI thinks internally, using its own abstract language of data. This is way more efficient, like doing mental math instead of writing everything down on paper. The problem was that these models were often set to think for a fixed number of steps, no matter how easy or hard the question was. This paper introduces a brilliant solution: adaptive latent reasoning. The researchers essentially gave the AI an internal stop button that it learns to press itself. They used a training method called reinforcement learning to teach it this new skill. Here's how it works. The AI gets a reward for getting the right answer, which is standard. But it also gets a small penalty if it thinks for too long on an easy problem, encouraging it to be quick and efficient. On the other hand, it's encouraged to think longer for more difficult questions where other attempts might have failed. This process fine-tunes the AI's intuition for how much effort each problem needs. And the results are truly impressive. As you can see in this table, their best-performing model cut its reasoning computation by over 52%. The most incredible part is that it achieved this massive efficiency gain with absolutely no drop in accuracy. These graphs really illustrate the change. They show how the model's thinking patterns shift after training. It clearly learns to use just a few thinking steps for the vast majority of problems, saving a huge amount of energy. So to recap, the researchers created a method that allows an AI to dynamically decide how long to think about a problem. This makes the reasoning process dramatically more efficient by cutting computational costs by more than half without hurting performance. This is a huge step forward. As AI models become more powerful and consume more energy, breakthroughs in efficiency like this are absolutely critical. This work could pave the way for faster, cheaper, and more sustainable AI systems in the future. What do you think about this leap in AI efficiency? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.